Hi everybody, this is a quick video to show to complete beginners how to populate their classes on Teams. So what you need to start is to have, not this page, that's not the good one, but you need to have your student list from Manage Back. You can export it by clicking on Export to Excel over here, and you will find it under the form of an Excel document over here. Why do I do that? Is because our students sometimes have preferred names. It can be quite confusing when you're trying to find them on the student email address. So basically, I'm just using directly the student email address, and that just makes my life much more easy. So once you have that list, you enter your team. Obviously, I just lost it. Where did it go? There you go. I will click on the three dots that are here on the left. I go for Add Member, and there you go. You ensure that you are on the Students tab. And then from here, you can enter the email address of your student. So here I started with Nehal. I click on Add once I'm done, and then I can go and continue with the next student. And you should see his name appear on the list here. Obviously, it is not working. There you go. Now it's working. You click on Add. And once you are finished, you click on Close, and your team will be ready to go. That's it.